Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic that is called the Fermat Little Theorem. And this topic is very important for your exam point of view. So please be ready with the notebook and a pen. And please note down with me the definition of the Fermat Little Theorem. This will definitely come in your exam. So what does the Fermat Little Theorem say? The Fermat Little Theorem say let P be a prime, any prime number. Let P be a prime number. And suppose that P does not divide A, where A is at any number. Where A is any number. Okay, you can choose any. Then we can say A to the power P minus K1 will be congruent to 1 mod P. Okay, please note down this. Very, very important. This Fermat Little theorem proves A to the P power P minus K1 will be congruent to 1 mod P. You can choose this through an example. For example, let me take prime as a 2. Okay, and another number as a, you can choose 9. 9 is any number. Does not necessary that 9 should be also be the prime. It can be any number. Here you can see that it is a composite number. It is not the prime, but here 2 is prime. And you can see that 2 is not dividing the 9. So, yeah, na? 2 is not dividing. Then we can say that 9 to the power prime minus k1, that is 2 minus k1, will be congruent to 1 mod 2. You can check. 9 to the power 2 minus k1 will be 1. That is 9 will be congruent to 1 mod 2 now. You can check by dividing 9 by 2. That is 2 4 is 8. That is 1. Did you see that? When you are dividing 9 by 2, then you are getting the 1 now. It means that theorem is satisfying. Have you noted down? Now the second corollary or the second statement of this, that is, we can also write this statement as like this. If P is a prime number, is a prime, and GCD of A comma P is 1. Oh, sorry. Wait. Erasure. GCD of P comma A. Always try to put prime on the left side. Okay, maybe possibly in future I can misplace this. So please be ignored that. Okay, this happens sometimes. And GCD of P comma A is 1. That is prime and a number. Number can be composite or prime as well as. Then we can say that. Then we can say A to the power P minus K1 will be congruent to 1 mod P. That is, you can say that A to the power P minus K1 is divisible by P. Is divisible by P. Have you noted down? Very, very important result of the Fermat theorem. The proof of the Fermat theorem will not come. If it is coming, then you can do the Fermat Little theorem by understanding, and you can send me the message if it is coming. Then I will make a video over that. Okay, but I think it will not come.